So you've got the perfect website, you've got all your ads working well, you've got heaps of traffic coming to the site, but you're just not getting the sales. What could possibly be going wrong? Amazon calculated that if they had a 1 second slowdown in their site speed, it would cost them $1.6 billion every year. Speed is really important. Here's what you can do to check that your speed's good. The first tip is Microsoft Clarity. It's their answer to Google Analytics, and I think it does a great job of showing you some really good features about your website. You can see what people are doing, you can see how they're doing it, and how long they're staying on your website. It also gives you a score so you can see how successful or how quickly your site is loading. Test out your website with Google Chrome's Lighthouse score. So you press F12 when you're on your website and you'll get the developer tools, and then use those tools to look for Lighthouse and run a report. That report is really detailed and quite technical. Check out our full video on how to do this that Bruce put together. It's a great way to understand more about your website, what's working and what's not. Finally, if you don't have time to do this yourself, or you're just not sure about what you're doing, you can get us to do that for you. There's a form in a link at the description of this video, and you can fill out that form and we'll give you a full report, not just on your speed of your website, but also how well your site ranks in Google and what you can do about it. The faster your website is, the more opportunity customers have to buy, so it's worth spending the time on figuring out how to do this. I'm Brendan Byrne from One Orange Cow, where we get your website moving.